First, thank you for inviting me here and saying kind words for me and Pakistan. President Putin told me about the mosque, this Grand Mosque. It was built in 1915 and then it was again rebuilt in 2014 or completed in 2014. So he also told me today that he has built 2,000 mosques in Russia, plus some Islamic centers he's also built, some educational centers, he told me. So, but I was, the reason we admired President Putin and appreciated President Putin was because he's the first Western leader to say that using freedom of speech to insult our Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was it. You could not hurt the sentiments of the Muslim world by hiding behind freedom of speech. So I appreciated it. I think people in the Muslim world appreciated that, all over the Muslim world. And secondly, he, of course, he told me about Chechnya, about what had happened, and how he with the young President Ramzan, how they built Grozny, because I saw Grozny 24 years ago destroyed by war. So I had a very long conversation with President Putin, and what he told me was that there is no Islamophobia in Russia, which is why we really respect him. We also want other Western leaders to have the same understanding of Islam as President Putin has in Russia, where rather than the Muslims living in Western communities, rather than growing apart, if they have understanding, they can actually live together, coexist together, rather than unfortunately in certain countries the Muslims face hardship because of a lack of understanding and because of Islamophobia, which is when terrorism is linked with Islam, which has no connection. So Pakistan is trying its best that there should be understanding in the Western countries about Islam and Islamophobia, and there should be awareness that Muslims living in certain countries like India suffer a lot because of this discrimination. I want to again thank you for inviting us here. For all my delegation, it's been a real pleasure. It's a beautiful mosque. It is really I didn't expect such a huge mosque in the middle of Moscow.